In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your quartz countertops safely and effectively. Quartz countertops are prized for their durability, elegance, and easy maintenance. However, daily use can lead to spills, stains, and grime buildup. Proper care ensures they remain beautiful and in excellent condition for years. Let's get started. Begin by removing all objects, such as appliances, utensils, and decorations, from your countertop. A clear workspace allows for effective cleaning and ensures no spots are missed. Use a dry microfiber cloth or a soft sponge to gently wipe away crumbs, dust, and other loose debris. This helps prepare the surface for deeper cleaning. Create a simple cleaning solution by mixing warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Using a soft cloth or sponge, gently clean the countertop in smooth, circular motions, effectively removing grease, grime, and everyday spills. For dried spills or tougher residues, allow the soap solution to soak the area for a few minutes. Then, gently scrub with a soft cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. Avoid harsh scrubbing pads, as these can damage the quartz finish. For stubborn stains, apply a specialized quartz countertop cleaner or a paste made from baking soda and water. Gently rub this mixture onto the stained area using a soft cloth. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Using a clean, damp cloth, carefully rinse away any remaining soap or cleaner from the countertop. Proper rinsing ensures no streaks or residue remain behind. Dry your quartz countertops thoroughly with a clean, soft microfiber cloth. Gently buff in circular motions to bring out the countertop's natural luster and achieve a spotless, streak-free finish. If you wish to disinfect your countertop surfaces occasionally, lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with a solution of isopropyl alcohol, 70% solution or higher, and water. Gently wipe the surface, then dry immediately with another clean cloth to prevent moisture marks. Always use cutting boards and trivets to protect your quartz countertops from scratches and heat damage. Quickly wipe spills to avoid staining, especially acidic substances like citrus juice, wine, coffee, or tomato sauce. Maintain your quartz countertops by wiping them daily with mild soap and water, complemented by weekly deeper cleans. Regular maintenance ensures your countertops stay hygienic, elegant, and damage-free over time. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and share your quartz countertop maintenance tips in the comments below. Happy cleaning!